Hi, in this video tutorial we're going to look at how to add a simple product. Now the definition of a simple product is one that has no options. It's basically, it just comes in, it's a one size fits all for want of a better phrase. All the products which are on the existing Animal Guard website, they would be classed as simple products because they don't have sizes or colors, etc. So in this tutorial we're just going to focus on how we add a simple product. So as you can see here, we're logged into the administration system of the Animal Guard website. And from the left-hand menu here, we're going to select Products, and we're going to select Add New. Now, so we've got now various screens of information. This is the product administration screen, and we've got various pieces of information that we need to fill in. And obviously, we'll start with this in the left-hand column, and then we'll move over here to the right-hand column. So the first thing we need to do is we need to enter the name of the product. So this product is the Animal Guard Standard Microchip and Implanter. Now, the next thing we move down to, we've got two white boxes here. Now, one is a short description, and this one above it is a long description. Now, the short description is by far the most important because that's the one the customer is most likely to see, and you should really always fill out the short description. It's okay to leave the long description blank if you don't have any information for that. So I'm just going to switch over to the Animal Guard existing website, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of information there. So we'll pop this, I'm just going to copy that section there, and we'll pop it into the short description. Okay, so now we have a short description, and if we decide we want to put something here in the long description, we could grab some of this information, for example, and we can just pop that in there. And if we want to make that, if we want to bolden that, we've got some options up here. We can just bold strike. We just select the text and then just select bold or italics. Okay, so we've completed now 3 steps. We've given the product a name. We've added some long description text, and we've added the important short description text. Now, the next thing we need to do is put a price in. So that's €5. Now, don't enter the currency symbol here, just put in the number, and if it was $5.50, you would enter it like that. But we know the price is 5, so we'll just leave that at 5. Leave these as, because we're showing products now as tax exclusive, so leave these, don't change these settings here. You can put a sale price in if you want, which must be lower than the regular price. So if you're having a sale on, you can also schedule a time from when the sale lasts. Okay, I won't cover that today, but so we'll remove that. I'll cancel that. Okay, so we're back. We have €5. Now, we don't need to worry about any of these other options. It's a simple product, as I said earlier. It doesn't have any options. The only other thing we can look at is the inventory. Now, we can see the product is marked as in stock. Now, if for example, when we're up and running, if you run out of items and you're not going to get them in for a period of time, you can simply just mark a product out of stock. Now, just I will caution you about setting products on back. If you set something on back order, that will still allow customers to order it, which you may probably don't want to happen. So I would suggest just use the in stock or out of stock options here. So we'll mark that in stock. Okay, so we're making good progress here now, and now we have to assign it to a category. So we're going to assign it to the microchips tag. Next thing is product tags. Now they're keywords, and they're useful to fill in because sometimes Google might invoice them and help people find your website. So perhaps a tag would be there. Disposable syringe, possibly. I'm not an expert here on this, but so we can just type in our tag and click add. Now, probably restrict yourself to about 8 tags maximum. You don't need tags, it's an optional field, but if you're going to start, don't start stuffing this with loads of different tags. Google will just end up penalizing you for keyword stuffing. So restrict yourself to just up to about 8. Now we have the last options we have are for product images. So we have product image and product gallery. Product image is the important one. That's the one the customer is most likely to see. So I'm just going to upload one off our computer here. And let's grab that one there. And when it's uploaded, just click Set Product Image down here on the right hand side. So that's set our main product image. Now, if you have any additional images for a product, you can click here. And again, we'll see what we have here on our computer. And we have a couple more. And what we're going to do is we're going to select both of them. And now, so both have been uploaded and we can click Add to Gallery. Okay, so now what we have is we'll just have a quick revision here, and we have our product name, we have our long description, we have our short description, we have our, just get rid of that, we have our price, we don't change these fields, and the product, it's in stock, and we've assigned it to the right product category. We've added a product tag to the product, and we've made sure that our main image and any additional images have been uploaded. So we're now ready to publish, but what we can also do, you can also preview the product if you like. So just click on the preview and that'll bring us up. So here we go. And there we can see the product. Now, obviously that image is not correctly formatted, but you can see it's loaded on our details. Okay, let's go back over here to and now we can go ahead and publish that product. And that's done, and that's now concludes this tutorial.